Well, how about a new exercise, but this time related to connectives? What are connectives before we move on into the exercise? These are words that are used to connect. Well, connect sentences, maybe pieces of information, we don't know. But you use them in order to make your writing smooth. And you have a good flow of the sentences and it wouldn't be repetitive. Think about it. في أشياء أو طرق بتساعدنا نخلي الرايتنج تبعنا أحسن. So, let's start with this exercise. Complete this article using the connectives in the box to help you. Let's check the words first. Another goal of the renovation. After, finally, the first, then. Now, if you remember, first refers to the first thing, usually. Then, if you move from one point to another. After, if you have something that happened before and then you move on to something happened after in time. Finally, which is the last thing. Another goal of the renovation is when you list goals and then you mention something else, you would say another goal. زي هدف تاني من الموضوع. Let's read. Early next year, the main office of the United Nations will go through a 5-year renovation. 1. It is emptied. The building will be redone. Now, we're going to start something after the building is emptied. So, what do we put in number 1? After. So, after it is emptied, the building will be redone. Let's move to number 2. Is to reduce buildings' energy consumption. Now, why do we renovate? For multiple reasons. So in number 2, I'm going to add another goal of the renovation is to reduce the building's energy consumption. يعني هدفنا الثاني من التجديد إنه نحافظ على الطاقة أو نقتصد باستخدام الطاقة. There are 3 different levels of renovation. Space 3 includes replacing the old air conditioning and lighting. So we started with the first one. So my word would be the first includes replacing the old air conditioning and lighting. Number 4, there are design elements that will stay, like the curved interior walls. Then, we're going to use then because we moved to another step. Lastly, we have number 5. The most essential renovations will take place in the upper floors, which the public never sees. Now, we talked about the last thing. So what do we use? Consequently, it would be finally. آخر إشي. So see, if you think about it in a logical way, you will understand how, or you will know by yourself how to use the connectives. Well done, everyone.